Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to this appointments meeting. The purpose of the meeting this afternoon, the first item is, are there any declarations of interest in relation to the meeting? No. And then to consider passing the undermentioned resolution. That's the exclusion of the press and public, and can someone move and second that accordingly, please?
Sorry, Chair, if I may interrupt. I need to declare a personal interest.
Okay, thank you, Councillor Stevens. I assume that will be in line with the interest you declared at the first meeting.
That's correct, Madam
Right,
Chair.
that's fine. I'm sure Mark will note that. Can we have someone to move and second the necessary resolution?
I
Happy
can
to
move.
move.
I'll second.